Santa baby, a 52 convertible, something light blue, I never know the words. Been an angel all year, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Hurry Santa, hurry down the chimney tonight. Meantime, you know, Santa's somewhere with his elves going, who? Rogan? Naughty list. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rogan, better known as this Bahamian Gyal. This is the home of big hair, bold looks, and big laughs. I show you how to break the internet without breaking the bank. Today I am doing a holiday look. This time, wait, where the hell is my palette? Let me do this again. Take two. Here we go. I am doing a holiday look this year. This year? When else are you going to do it? This is a holiday eyeshadow look for under $15 and it comes courtesy of LA Girl Pro Artistry palette. I have seen this palette 1,000 times inside of the drugstores, passed it up and down, and decided to give it a go. And so I am going to be doing this look because I wanted to go green, gorgeous. What else could I say? Green, gorgeous. Green, gorgeous. What else? I need like alliteration. You have to have three. You have to have three. You can't have two. You got to have three. Green, gorgeous. Drama is a D. I almost said dramatic. No, but for true, what I could say. Anyway, green, gorgeous. I'm still trying to figure out another G. God? Godlike. Green, gorgeous, and godlike. Green, gorgeous, and gangsta. No? Child, please, I know. This is the palette. This is the final look. And if you want to see how I got it, continue watching. This is what I used first. So I'm gonna go in now with this gorgeous orange, and that's called, oh, that's called Champion. This one was called Savvy. This one was called Savvy, and this one is Champion. I'm a champion, Babila. A champion, Babila. Babila, Babila, Babila. So I want this orange. I want this orange because it's just so nice and vibrant. And a lot of times you think like for Christmas everything has to be red, 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 red. And I used to be like that because red really is Christmas, but I'm getting into the greens and all that stuff now, you know. And just make sure to blend all of this out. Like even though it's the first little sort of like transition shade for me, like I still make sure it's nice and soft and blended. Boy, when I first started doing makeup, and I'm still not an expert, guys, I'm not at all. Trust me, I use the wrong brushes all the time. My sister, who is more of a makeup guru, she'll be like, what brush were you using? I'd be like, girl, shut up. You start your own channel and use whatever brush. As far as I'm concerned, I get the desired result. And I'm checking for her. So I'm gonna go in now with that Champion Babila. It's just called Champion, and I'm gonna use the same brush because, see, I know she's pissed off about that, but I'm gonna use the same brush because guess what? I don't have time to be switching brushes. And I love this orange. This is one of the reasons I even bought this palette. It has some fantastic blues. And I thought about doing a blue and orange look, but I've done that before. I don't think I've done it on YouTube. I just have done that in my personal life. And this is usually where you guys fast forward, like, okay, how many times can I watch her blending? I kind of make up the look as I go along. I don't, like when I first started doing YouTube, I would do like almost like a dress rehearsal the night before I was filming. I was like, man, screw it. I'm not an MUA, I'm not a makeup artist, so, you know, I just know what looks good on my face. I've had a few people ask me to do their faces. I'm so scared. I'm like, listen, I know how to do my face, but you know, we shall see. I'm going to put some brown. I'll use the Finesse. Ooh, dripping in Finesse. And the Finesse is this. I know it seems like I'm just like covering things, but I'm just trying to build like different layers to give it a more dramatic look, I suppose. So I'm just going to go in with this Finesse. just gonna put it like right here to here. And this one is like a light brown. I'm just building the color. So you guys, I don't know if you guys can see even see that, but you know, I can. And it's beautiful. It's a nice little soft gradient. Gradients are good. And I'm trying to see if I need to add anything from the LA Girl, the Nudist palette, because I absolutely adore this palette too. It's so bomb. So this is like the brick color. Do I want that? I'm gonna try it. It's just makeup, right? If it don't work, I could always erase it. I'm kind of bringing it down on my lower lash too. You know, I was going to put that black in my corner areas, but I'm gonna go with this dark brown first, just in case. If I don't think the brown is intense enough, then I'll go with the black, because you know, once you put black, you don't go back. I'm so programmed to go for the black. I did that. Let me show you guys something that I mean, it ain't like I'm just putting y'all up on this. I'm sure you guys have seen it, but some of you have not seen this before, so I'm going to show it to you. This is a shadow switch thingamajig, and it's from Edge Beauty. And when you make a mistake or you want to clean your brush and you don't want to have to switch out brushes, especially if you only have like a few brushes, a handful of brushes, it comes with this little pad thing. It's like an eraser. So you see I have the black on there. I will rub it on this thing, and it's pretty dirty because I didn't wash it after using this, and I usually do, but I didn't. So what you do is you just kind of rub your brush all over it, and it takes off the color that you put, like how I had that black on. So it takes it off, and that's the brown. I'm just gonna pat that there and see how that looks first. And that's pretty dark for me. I actually like that. Can you guys see that? Y'all can see that. I'm just gonna put that there. I'm just gonna rest it there. I'm not gonna blend it out just yet. And I'm gonna do the other side as well. Guess what I forgot to do, guys? I was supposed to put some powder underneath my eyes to catch the fallout. Your girl forgot to do that. So far to me, this dark brown is dark enough. Boy, a blue would really turn this sucker out. But I'm gonna stick to my guns, and I'm gonna go with the green. So let me show you guys what this green, these two greens look like. Look at those. I was going to choose between one, but now I don't know. I might wanna do like a gradient. I don't know. This is so hard. You can see here. Oh, holy crap. Oh, la. Look at that. You see how pigmented that is? And I only touched it with my finger. Jeez Louise. This one is Hot Shot, and this one is Prodigy. That Hot Shot is the bomb. Or as my mommy likes to say, the proper. She's so old school. Man, okay, so let me just carry this all the way across. Let me see. This one is calling me. Damn. And the good thing is this just gives great coverage, and I don't even have any fallout just yet. Let me just pat that on there. This is so perfect for holiday. Like, I know a lot of people aren't going to like Christmas parties and all that stuff because of COVID-19. Boy, I just wish I could punch COVID. If it's two diseases I want to punch, like I seriously want to punch, is COVID and cancer. Cancer, I want body slam. All right, so let me try this Prodigy. That green is just freaking amazing. I don't know if you could see this one as well. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Not as intensely as that, what did I say this thing name? The light one. What did I say this name? Hot Shot. And I ask you with this name, No, but sit there and watch me and don't even answer me. Okay, so now I'm getting some fallout. But I like how the gradient is looking so far. So I'm just gonna pack that on. And this is giving me like Junkanoo vibes. I know a lot of you don't know about Junkanoo, and I'll probably talk about that later on. That's like our cultural festival in the Bahamas. Okay, so this was supposed to be like a 5-minute tutorial. I don't think that's gonna happen unless I do some serious cuts. So now I'm gonna just replicate what I have on top. Listen, holding the mirror and having to clean the brushes and all this. I need a little assistant. This is when I miss my niece Tatiana, because I could put her to work without paying her. You know, tell her hold something. And I feel no way whatsoever about making her work for free, because I've spent about, if I had to calculate, and I give you like a rough calculation, about $2.4 million on her since she was born. She's now 12. I'm just gonna go do that at the bottom there. Do that on the other side as well. This green is just, oh my god, I just freaking love it. And here, we have the silver in here that I could put like in the corner of my eye. I don't know how I feel about that. It seems much better in my head because I don't have the, I don't even know which tool you use to put that on right there, but anyway, we'll get back to it. It's just a cheap little pencil. I have all kinds of stuff here, but I always go back to my old faithful. And I had an LA Girl gel liner. Where is that, Rogan? Aha. Thank you, Jesus. God is on the throne. He on the throne. So I have this one. Brand new. I am so hungry. What y'all eating tonight? It might be morning when you watch this. What y'all eating this morning? I feel like eating some wings. Some like from the carry out, from like Chinese. You know, some fried chicken wings with fried rice. And I always ask them for what you call the fortune cookies. Like, listen, if you could be in the Chinese restaurant business, I'm gonna need you to have fortune cookies. When I hear you don't have any fortune cookies, I'd be mad as hell. What I come here for? Okay, I came for the food, but I want fortune cookies. Let me just go in with this. Let me see. This is my first time using this one. The blue that I had was phenomenal. Let me see here. Every time I use like this kind of brush, I always turn it the other way when it's time for the wing. So this one isn't as dark as I thought it would be, and I don't know if that's because it's just up against so much color, but I do love that you have more, for me anyway, I have more control with gel than I do with the liquid. Now I'm wondering if I should just go over this, but I don't want to create like a mess. Look at my face. Look at my face. Look at my face. Look at my face, yeah? Okay. I'm gonna leave that alone because I could see me looking like freaking Jocelyn Wildenstein. Y'all know who Jocelyn Wildenstein is? Google her. That's a real Catwoman. Wow! So I'm not dissatisfied with that liner because I think the liner is really pretty. The gel liner from LA Girl, but I do want it to pop a little bit more, so I'm gonna try and see if I could trace it a bit with my Maybelline line stiletto. See if I could outline it a bit. I feel like I could see it better now. One of these days I'm gonna do like a 30-second video. Just a 30-second video. Be like, hey everybody, this is the final look, and that's it, and just have like a scrolling list of all the products. Because y'all don't watch this whole video. I be checking my analytics, you know. You think I don't be checking? So let me go in. This is my old faithful MAC. I've bought like 1, 2, 3, 4 mascara wands in the past 2 weeks, and I always come back to this for some reason. I'm gonna be putting on a soft pink lipstick, and this has a crackhead look, this nude. And when I say crackhead look, I mean like, you know, like how your mouth looks dry. So anyway guys, this is the final look. Just a bit of disclosure, I decided to go in at the corners of my eyes the outer corners and put a little bit of that black eyeshadow because I just needed a little bit more dimension. So I just dabbed a little bit in the outer shadow, the outer corner area. I didn't go crazy with it. So you can do whatever you want to do at home. Some people like a dark brown. I started off with that and it was nice, but when I looked at it in the mirror, I just wanted a little bit more depth. So I did the black in the outer corner, and you can do whatever you want at home. This is a terrific palette. I got mine from CVS for I think it was like $14.99, which isn't bad for the number of shades they have in there. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 12 shades. 12 shades, and they're beautiful, highly pigmented shades, and I'm just in love. And so you don't have to do the red this Christmas. I paired it with a soft nude lip and a nude liner. Next time I'll probably put like a pinker, a more pink liner so it could pop a little bit more, but I'm okay with it. I'm absolutely okay with it because the star of the show was my eyes. My eyes were the stars of the show. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave comments down below. Let me know if you like this look. If you don't like this look, that's cool too. Just let me know down below. Follow me on Instagram at This Bahamian Gyal, also on Facebook, on Twitter at This Bahamian Gyal with a D, and on my blog www.thisbahamiangyal.com. New videos every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for watching. Be a good girl, good boy, good whatever. And Santa won't put some coal in your stocking. I don't mind coal because I toss that in the fire and keep me warm. It's good when I'm grilling outside. I'm on Santa's goodness. Huh? Have I been a good girl this year? No. I'm a good girl every year. No, not every year. No, I'm a good girl. No. I gotta be, full disclosure. I gotta be honest. Anyway, guys, I'll see you all next week, Wednesday. Don't forget 1 p.m. And do not forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends, your family members. And don't forget, again, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Love you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!